This is all cap. This shit is not real.
So you running from? This a glizzy with a green bean. Throwing oops to my bro for that body. Dream team, bro, that shit clean. Where the fuck you getting pink lean? Shorty upstate, probably stabbing niggas in they spleen. Savage shit, hit a nigga head, it's in my jeans. You see what I'm? We got a pat out here. We got the pat. Ooh, we got a pat. We got a pat. Alright, we in the pat today, y'all.
I thought I was the new dude, bro.
What's going on, brother? Alright, y'all, man, we in the pat today, man. In today's video, we finna be cutting up in the hood. But it's a little twist to it. We're gonna get like a passenger princess POV type. Shut your lame ass up, nigga. Let's get on with the video, man, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, man. Roll to 2K subs.
Y'all know what to do, man.
And subscribe to the new 222, man. If y'all want more content with his Scatpack, go to the channel, link in the description. We in track mode with it. You might as well cut the cats off.
Cause I can't even hear it in here, bro. So I don't even know it's loud. Half the time I be in here with music and all type of shit.
Nigga, this shit is like, all like I said, but you might as well cut the cats. Let's go full out straight pipe. 300. That shit too fucking crazy. Shit!
God damn. This should be pulling on telling y'all, man. Let me sleep on this cat, bro. Ooh, good mirror.
Ooh, Z01.
Z01?
Shit!
I don't know smoke with that is.
Crazy, it's the cat in front of us.
It's the cat.
Boy, if you don't get
Just a second. Hear them pops.
Pops. I don't know if y'all can hear that. Damn, somebody macked right there. You see the tire marks?
Someone's getting active. Oh, I see him down the river. Someone's getting active, boy. This motherfucker big as hell, bro.
Big as fuck.
Like, what are you on, bro?
Oh my fucking god, this Scat feels so crazy, y'all.
Slide spot, y'all. We are in Mexico. Behind here, which is cool too. Cause yeah, we have no right mirror right now.
Oh hell, man! What the fuck, man? Shit. You forgot your traction control off.
I did too.
Alright, y'all.
So, I forgot to turn the traction control off, but we good though. We all good though. I'm gonna get another slide set for y'all though, because that was kind of booty, but
You know the second time gonna be better.
yeah, you know the second time will be better, man. Y'all know that. We finna pull up to the burnout place. I'm about to get a badass burnout for the YouTube, man. The rain go. Hell yeah, man. We finna slide a couple corners, man. Y'all know what's going on.
God damn, this bitch pulls so hard. This bitch pulls.
Slide a couple yarns.
God damn, bro. If y'all ain't never been in the Scatpack, y'all gotta get in the Scatpack. This bitch pulls like hard.
Ready, pull, man. And you can hear this motherfucker.
You can hear like
I don't know how far, but you can hear it. I know how I do, man. Really be tearing this bitch up. Like, every corner we be like,
hey, he not lying. Man, he's not. Damn.
tear that bitch up. They already know how we get down, bro. This ain't the first.
You like it?
A lot of kids, they be like, oh, they ears and shit.
Oh yeah, this shit's loud. I'm telling you, this shit's loud.
I ain't even doing shit today. Today a chill day, bro. We just cruising right now. Bad as fuck though when we get to that ski.
Dog. Dude.
Kids screaming at us, bro. You know this shit real. The kids screaming at you. Like a lot of kids let us cry. I can tell they be like 5, 6, 7. I'm like, how the fuck do you even know what a Scatpack is? Like, what the fuck?
They finna grow up liking cars too. They know what a scat is.
I don't know what the fuck a scat is, bro. Like when I was 9, I did not know what a Scatpack was.
Me either. I didn't know what a Hellcat was. Man, y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. I'm telling y'all, we're gonna bring the bangers, bro.
Yeah, bro. My boy Jason got the key.
Who's 18 doing this, bro?
Ain't nobody, bro.
Like, dang. And don't worry, bro. A car is coming to the channel, you feel me? It's gonna be a little build series I'm gonna do. I ain't gonna tell y'all on too much, but it's gonna be no bills here.
Oh yeah, they gon' that's when they gonna really turn on.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Okay, it's off now.
Traction completely though.
Use this bad boy real quick.
Alright, y'all, so we got the infamous spot. You feel me? Y'all forgot real this spot. I know this spot, but oh shit! Oh! Bro, you gonna try to walk pat. I ain't gonna lie, like, he walked a little bit. Damn! God damn! Y'all, it's so fucking smoky in here. God damn! Damn! I ain't gonna lie. That was a good ass burn.
God damn, birdie.
Shit.
Good now. Yeah, I can feel this tires, they sticky as fuck.
They knew what just happened.
Yeah, they know. They seen it.
Dragged it too. The second one, you dragged it.
I tried some. I'm gonna try some shit. I'm gonna try to get this corner real
You know what's crazy, bro? A lot of people who never drove a Scatpack, they always crash them. He never drove a Scatpack. His first car was a Hyundai. And he went straight to Scat. And he tearing this bitch up, I'm telling you.
quick.
Damn.
You can feel that shit in your fucking heart. Like, it's like a roller coaster.
Track saved you.
Oh, God.
Track completely off, track saved you for sure. You ever like turn traction completely off and put it in sport? That's when it really like get loose.
Get this on sport. Go to sport.
Cause like track, let your foot off the gas. There we go. Damn.
Golly.
Shit. I don't know why it's like this. So we know when traction completely is off and you change modes, you know you gotta turn it off again.
Oh, yeah.
I hate that. I don't know why they did that. Traction. Oh.
Traction all the way over like that.
You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Sport, I'll tell you, if sport mode, this bitch get loose. You see, if you did that in track, it wouldn't did all that. That bitch got sideways and he held it.
That bitch got sideways.
God damn. race.
It was a good race. Some random guy on the street, bro. He was just riding. He had like a small little fast ass car, bro.
What, you had him?
He beat me.
Damn.
I had on my ball tires on.
Oh yeah, he's spinning.
I couldn't catch traction, bro. But he know he can't fuck with me. And he was like, we can run it back, I'm like, when I get my tires, hit my phone.
When you get the track, we got to race. If I actually do this build, which I really want to, like, I'm really dedicated to do this build. So if I really do this build, but we got to race. Tracky versus what I'm building.
You already know that, right?
I mean, I can see how it starts and ends. Cause from a dig, you're fucking beating me.
Oh God, bro, that's a track.
You're beating me regardless off a dig. But the type of motor that I found that I'm gonna put in it off a row, I don't know. I might catch up off a row.
A lot of shit you trying to make, bro.
I'm trying to make sense. It's gonna be stuck for a minute though, but it's not gonna be 717 though. And that's just a little hint for y'all.
It ain't gonna be 717.
It's not gonna be 717.
It's gonna be 7 though. Fuck
No.
that.
Not even 7.
How much? 8? Oh my God.
Oh, it's tuned also.
Oh yeah, they gonna wanna arrest you. They think they mad at me now. Wait till I get a track on. They gonna really be
Oh yeah.
mad as hell.
Be mad as fuck.
This Buick up here, this nigga got some shit done to it, bro.
In the Buick?
Look at that bitch so fucking loud. Look, I just did a burnout the other day over here. You can see the mark.
Mm-hmm.
This is actually yesterday when I look. The kids want to see it. Love it, bro.
These cars are so fun to drive, bro, I'm telling you. That Tesla don't want no smoke.
No smoke. No smoke. No smoke. You niggas.
Damn!
Traction.
That bitch.
God damn. Ladies and gentlemen, this is nothing to play with.
Nah, this car is nothing to play with. You just stomping it at 50, this bitch still gonna spin. Damn!
I'm gonna try that back there.
This motherfucker glues you to the seat. Shit! With traction completely off, this bitch hooked. Once it hooks, bro, it's gone.
God, that's the fastest I probably ever.
God damn.
I gotta